Akiaria hindi ya igongona ria mitha kanitha-ini wa Our Lady of Fatima Ndumberi, Mũthikabu munene wa Diocese ya Nairobi Philip Anyolo oritie President William Ruto guthurima weru watho wa kigina wa mwaka wa 2024. Anyolo augite watho uyu ukite guthinikania akenya athinikanu kumana na thogora wa iguru wa muturire, akiendekithia gucenjio kwa watho uyu niguo kwahura akenya icoki ritu ria magoti.
Taxes are going very high and it is not the first time we are talking about it. We have asked again and again that the government should look into other ways to subsidize the taxes so that people will also contribute towards the building of a nation. Because
miario no itikanirio nayo ni ngamini wa kanitha uyu Thomas Kimari, akiuga kwambatirio thogora kwa indo iria akenya mahuthagira ta mugate ni undu ugucungiriria akenya ingi kuremwo ni kwihonia.
Iria uhoro ucio wa finance bill uria ukorwo ugitibwo kwanjia rucio thiini wa public participation, no njuririe Excellency the President William Samoei Ruto arore maundu macio matigakorwo nimo magakorwo maguthukia bururi uyu.
It means to review the bills so that it looks a better way of alleviating the poverty and the standards of people who are living, so that they can be part and parcel of helping the government to grow.
Iguru waguo Anyolo augite kuongererwo kwa magoti kwahota kũnyihia maruta ma kanitha, undu uria ugucungiriria kuhotoma kwa motungata maria kanitha iheanaga ta githomo na ũgima wa mwĩrĩ.
Once this government raises the taxes, even the church also, which is actually whose property and whose riches is the poor people, the church will have nothing to support.
Doine ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Gĩtonga wa Wambui.